Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Why 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 our sound do not travel in space? Because of there is no oxygen. In oxygen particles, in air particles of our sound vocal throats are travel. If there is no sound, so voice do not follow. That's why their scientists have continued radios in the astronaut spacesuit to follow their voice. And gold. Gold is mainly important factor in the space because gold is one only thing that anything not any warm thing